Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to apply for Indian Postal Recruitment notification. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Earlier in Indian Post released a recruitment notification 2020. In that notification, they have given for three circles, that is for Jharkhand, Northeastern and for Punjab, and they have also mentioned the vacancies and eligible criteria. So if you have a passion of working in Indian Post, you can apply for this. So some of the candidates don't know how to apply for this, so I will show you the step-by-step procedure and online procedure which should be followed by you. First is there are some other differences in Indian Postal Portal. So for all the examination we will be doing first registration and then we will be doing online application procedure, and at last only we will be doing the fees payment procedure. But in Indian Post Portal you have to do the registration first and then you have to do your payment and then you have to go to the apply online procedure, and the fees payment procedure is only for you or OBC, EWS male and trans men. So if you are not belonging to these any of these categories, you can directly go for apply online procedure. So first you have to do registration. For this you have to go to the column of registration. Once you click that registration, you will be getting a form like that is an application form like procedure. So you have to give your login credentials and your personal details and then you can go for next procedure. So this is the official site for and this is the registration form model. So I will show you how to apply for this. So first you have to give your name, and you have to give your name as per in 10th class certificate. So because 10th class certificate is the basic qualification expected from Indian Post, so you have to give like this. And next is about your father's name. You have to give your father's name as per in 10th class certificate. So please be aware of this thing also. You should not make any of mistakes, and if you make any mistakes your application will be rejected. And next you have to give the mobile number. You have to give your official using mobile number, and then you can give Aadhaar card number. You can give Aadhaar card number or not because it is not a mandatory field, and same like email ID. So if you are giving email ID, you will be getting the information from Indian Postal Portal to give your email ID also. And next, the mandatory field, you have to give your date of birth, which is very important. You have to give your date of birth as per of your SSLC certificate, and you have to check through it. And next is about gender. You have to give your gender. And next is about community, and if you are belonging to EWS community, that is economically weaker section, you have to upload the certificate also. So if you are not uploading, they will be rejecting your application, and you have to give the date of valid of this certificate also. So please be aware of this thing. And they have also asked a question, are you a person with disability? Why they have asked this question is there are some relaxation and reservation for PWD persons, so you have to give it, and I'm giving no. And if you are a PWD person and if you are giving yes, you have to mention the type of your disability and you have to select the PWD subcategory also. And next you have to give your circle, in which circle you have completed your 10th standard, and you have to give the year of passing 10th class also. They have asked a question that whether the candidate is passed in compartmental, supplementary or trial. That is nothing but they have asked whether you have passed in your first attempt or in a compartmental or supplementary model. So I am giving passed in first attempt. And next they have also asked a question of can you ride a bicycle, so I am giving yes. And they have also asked about your employment qualification, so whether employed or not, so I am giving no. If you are giving yes and if you are a person of working, you have to answer a question of NOC is available or not, so you have to give that. And next you have to do the captcha. And next the last is declaration, so you have to tick the checkbox and you are agree to the terms and conditions of Indian Postal Portal. So once you have done this, you can check through it and you can have a preview of that also. You can give OK. And next, once you give submit, you will be getting your registration ID. And after the procedure is over, you can go for apply online, and here you have to give your registration ID. After that you will be getting a registration ID, right? So you have to give that. And once you give apply, you have to give your application status and your personal details and something also. Here you have to give your registration number, and you have to select your northeastern, that is your circle. And once you give submit, you will be getting an OTP, and you have to give your OTP here. Once I have given my OTP, I have to give next. And once you give next, you will be getting this type of home page, and here you have to give your address, which is very important. And you can give any of the address. And if you are having the permanent address, so you can tick this checkbox, same as first present address. And once you have to give your board, that is in which board you have been selected. I am giving like this. Next is about the result type, whether you have getted your grade or marks. So I have getted marks. Then you have to give your marks details, and based on this only they will be selecting you. And then you have to select the subject. They have also mentioned the local language, right? So you have to select the subject, and you can give save and continue. And once you give save and continue, you will be going to the upload document section. Here you have to upload your photo, signature, your 10th class marks memo, and your supplementary marks memo also. And if you are not yet done your supplementary, this is not relevant, so we can check through it. And I'm giving the photo, that is choose file. You have to give here, and you can give your image. And once you give open, you will be getting this type of image. If it is not invalid, that is if it is more than 50 KB or 200 DPI, it will show that it is an invalid. So please check through it. And you have to upload your signature also. So you have to choose file, and you have to give the signature. And here you have to upload your class 10th memo. So please be aware of that size and your KB also. And then that's it. And after that you have to give all the declaration tick, that is you are agreeing to the terms and conditions portal. So be aware of this, and once please check through this also. And next, once you give all these, you can check through it, and you have to give continue. And once you give continue, you will be asked to upload the file of caste certificate. And if you are belonging to EWS, you have to also upload your EWS certificate, and it should not be about of 200 KB. So please be aware of this thing. And at last you have to give the declaration. And once you give declaration and then you give continue, you will be asked to choose the preference. So you can choose the preference, and you can save your candidate application form. And if you want for further reference, you can print also. So please take a hard copy of this also, so you can check any of this, and you can apply for this. So please be aware of these things, and please remember online procedure is very important. And if you fail to do this online application procedure carefully, your application will be rejected. So please aware of this thing, and all the very best and best of luck from our team for your success and for your examination. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more details. Thank you.